Meaning of forest lawn.
Forest lawn.
Forest lawn.
Forest lawn.
Forest lawn. Forest lawn refers to a brand of cemeteries and funeral homes that originated in California. Forest lawn cemeteries are known for their park-like settings, elaborate landscaping, and grandiose architecture. The name forest lawn was chosen to evoke images of peaceful nature and tranquility. The company has since expanded to several locations across the United States and is known for providing high-end funeral services to notable figures such as Michael Jackson, Walt Disney, and Elizabeth Taylor.